it's Miss Priya. Today we're gonna do an Indian monsoon special dance along. It is the rainy season and it is so beautiful outside. So I thought we should all dance in the rain together. Have you ever tried that? It is so much fun. I have 4 songs for you today. We have Barso Re Megha, Chak Dum Dum, Chum Chum and Sawan Mein Lag Gaya. I love all of the songs, but I want to know your favorite song. So like this video if you enjoy dancing today, leave me a comment, share it with your friends, and if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. Let's dance. So I'm going to teach you just one step for the first song, Barso Re, and then I'll play the music. So the music is Nanna Re, Nanna Re, Nanna Re, Nanna Re. So for that, we're gonna just crisscross our hands at our wrist, so like this, and then you're just going to move your hands in and out. So just a small movement, not a lot. Okay, so we're taking it to the side, this side first, and you're going to move your hips. So let's go. Nanna re, nanna re, nanna re. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and then you clap back. Nanna re, and then you switch to the other side, same thing. Nanna re, nanna re, nanna re, nanna re. So we do this 3 times and then you clap and then we do this 3 more times. I'm also leaning to the side as I do it. Okay, that's the only step you need to know. A lot of the movements will be like very flowy, so I'm going to swing my arms, I'll be keeping my hands up, and I'll be stepping side to side, and then we're showing a rain. So you can just follow along, they're very easy to follow. Okay, let's dance.
बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है जल 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 थल जल थल चल 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 बहता चल नन्ना रे 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 बरसो रे बरसो रे मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो गिली गिली हाँ 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 गिली गिली माटी के चल घरौंदे बनाएंगे रे हरी भरी अम्बी की डाली मिलके झूले झूलाएंगे रे हो धन बैजू गजने हल जोते सबने बैलों की घंटी बजी और ताल लगे भरने रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली पार
tutorial, the rain dance tutorial to the song. I'll put the link. Go check that out. That one is super fun. Now this one, the moves are going to be a little different, but very simple again. So we are going to show the clouds. So you're going to take your hands up. Then we're going to show raindrops falling on the floor. So that's really simple. Make the clouds, show the rain. And then we'll also show splashing water with your feet. Who likes to do that? Let's splash. And then you also get to jump in the puddles in the rain. So we jump and then we jump. So we do this and we repeat it many times. Okay, and then in between there's one step that I want to show you, which is the main jump dum dum step. So you are going to keep your hands down and then just step one foot in the front, turn your body, you're going to twist and then twist and twist. So you just keep stepping one foot in front and then twist and then you just shake your hips. So it's chak thum thum chak thum thum chak thum thum. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, okay? We're also going to show a horse and an elephant. So ghoda and hathi. So how does a horse look? How do you ride the horse? We're gonna hold and then we're going to ride the horse. Ride the horse, okay? And then for hathi or elephant, you're going to make the trunk and then just swing it. The song has ghoda and hathi in it. So that's why we're showing it. Everybody is dancing together in the rain.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम?
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम। बादल झुके झुके से है,
रास्ते रुके रुके से हैं,
क्या तेरी मर्जी है मेरा, घर हमको जाने न देगा।
आगे है बरसात पीछे है तूफान, मौसम बेईमान कहाँ चले हम तुम। कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम।
ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम, घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम, छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम.
Okay, for Chum Chum, let's learn the main step and then we'll do it with music. So the song goes, Sabse hoke befikar. So you're going to show everybody, so just spread your hands out and let it go, hands to the sky. Okay, so Sabse na fikar, nachu mein aaj. So you're going to put your hands behind your back, behind your head, and then we are going to stay here for a few counts. So chum chum chum, chum chum chum, chum 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 chum. So it's here, down, and then all the way down. So head, your waist, and then by your legs. Okay, so palms facing down. And with the legs, we are just going to stomp the floor. We're just going to hit the floor. Okay, so let's go. Tap, tap, chum chum chum, chum 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 chum, and then you do the other side. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Sabse hoke befikar. You can add a jump if you like. Nachu mein aaj chum chum chum, chum chum chum, chum 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 chum. Main nachu other side. Chum chum chum, chum chum chum, chum 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 chum. That's it. And other than this, we'll show raindrops falling because it's a rain song. We'll show the wind blowing, and then we'll jump in the rain, in the water, jump jump jump. So we'll do all of that. Okay, the song is super fun. So let's try it with music.
बारिशों की ताल पे ये खनक मेरे धड़कनों की कह रही है झील तू जरा, बार बार साथ मेरे सारे अब थिरकने लगे, डोले जमीन नाचे आसमां। मैं तो हवा हूँ, हाथ न आऊं, मर्जी से अपनी उड़ती ही जाऊं। खुद की करूं मैं क्या तारीफ, रात ने चुराया मेरा काजल, मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल, सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम छम छम, छम छम छम, छम 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 छम।
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing, you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping, I love you in every way. धड़कनों पे बूंद जो गिरी,
तो नाचो आज छम छम छम, छम छम छम, छम 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 छम। मैं नाचू आज छम छम छम, छम छम छम, छम छम छम
this last song, Sawan Mein Lage Aag, is a party song. Sawan is monsoon or rain. So this is the last one and it is the most fun one. Okay, so this one, just have fun with it. You can even do your own dance moves if you want, but if you're following me, then we're gonna do this one main step. You're gonna take your hand up and show how the rain, how the clouds are moving and the rain is about to start. So you're just going to circle those hips and you're also moving your hand, your arm in a circle. Okay, Sawan mein lag gayi aag, and then you're going to just take your hands out like this. It's kind of like an L shape, right? So we're making an L. Let me do it this way. So this is an L for you, the letter L, and then we're just going to shake those fingers. Sawan mein lag gayi aag, shake, 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 shake. Now I'm also flicking my foot out. You don't have to do it. You can just stay here and just shake those fingers. Okay. Then we are going to put one hand here. Then this hand is going to go up and down. So over this hand, under this hand, over, under, over, under, over, under. And then you are going to imagine like you're rowing a boat. So you're just going to circle your hand like this. So row, 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 row. That's it. So you can keep both your hands as tight fist and then just go circle, circle, circle. So that's the main step of this dance. Let's try it with music.
दूध उबालोगे तो झाग लगेगी और जो सावन में ऐसे नाचोगी तो आग लगेगी, आग लगेगी, आग लगेगी।
हाय पटाखा में बम का धमाका में नजरें करारी मेरे दिल पे डालो टाका में।
ओए होए 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 होए।
हाय 100 आगे 200 पीछे छुप छुप के फोटो खींचे, देखो जो मैं पलट इन पे बिजली गिर जाए रे। सोशल मीडिया पे चर्चे बड़े हैं, बच्चे क्या बूढ़े मेरे पीछे पड़े हैं।
सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा, सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा। ओ सुना हसीना पागल दीवानी, आज न सोया सारी, आज न सोया सारी, आज न सोया सारी रात दिल मेरा। सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा।
तुझको देखा जबड़ा मेरा फ्लोर पर जा गिरा, दिल्ली में तूने ठुमका लगाया सेक हो गया आगरा। मुझसे जो तू मिलने आई कॉलोनी में बात फैल गई, लाल ड्रेस जो डाल के निकली गुड़गांव तक आग फैल गई।
गजरा लगा के आई केस में, है केस में आशिक है जाने कितने रेसम में, है रेसम में।
गजरा लगा के आई केस में, केस में आशिक है जाने कितने रेस में, है रेस में।
जाना है किस परदेस में, है देश में। तेरी जवानी जैसे चलता हिटर है, जल न जाए कोई मुझको फिक्र है। हो न जाए कोई, हो न जाए कोई, हो न जाए गंदी बात दिल मेरा।